So in this clip you'll see that there's not all that many tools required to do this job. Socket, extension, oil filter wrench, oil filter, block of wood. So here's a drain plug. You're going to remove this. Watch out for hot oil. Make sure you get a drain pan underneath. All that wonderful hoopla. Then we go on to the fairings. There's going to be 3 little plastic rivets, 2 underneath, 1 in the front. Remove those. They can be a pain to get out. Here's the oil filter. You're going to want to spin that off, preferably with a pan underneath. Then you want to go ahead and start putting oil in the oil fill. You want 2 quarts. Make sure that as you fill it, and the bike is not on a stand, you got it upright, it fills between those 2 marks. And it should look like this when you're finished. Now make sure when you're going ahead and putting that oil plug back in that you do not over tighten it. You'll break the assembly and you'll be paying out the nose in order to fix that. Once again, do not put it on too tight. Use a torque wrench when in doubt.